If you cannot tell already by the box and by the name, we have the Maison Mihara Yasuhiro once again. I did a review on these like a while ago, like 6 months to a year ago, and that video went kind of crazy, I'm not gonna lie. So guess what? I'm bringing y'all a part 2. So we get 10,000 likes on this video, I'll bring you guys a part 3. I'll go buy another one, another one, as long as you guys keep running it up for me. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. So starting off with the box, you know what the deal is. All plain white box, and then the name of the shoe right there. And then here is the size tag, boom. And then there's the shoe right there. So let's go ahead, take off this lid, throw it to the side. Cause I'm pretty sure you guys do not care about the box. We care about the shoes, right guys? But I'm bringing you guys an unboxing for you. I already unboxed them, I already got them laced up and everything. So this video is for you guys. I just put them back in the box. But let's take this off and boom, throw that over there. So I did get mine from GOAT this time. Last time I got mine from Feature for like $430, $450, something like that. Some crazy price, but this time I only paid like $250, $200. So definitely paid way better this time. There's little GOAT cards right there. Go ahead and just, not playing, that was right there. But here is the, like, I don't know, like the packaging. You know, we got a little premium packaging. As you see right here, it says Yasuhiro and then Mihara right there. No, it's crazy. So let's go ahead, peel these back and show you guys what you've been waiting for. Look. And then the shoes do come in a dust bag. As you can see right here, here is one shoe, and then set that right there. And then here's the other shoe. Let's go ahead, now I'm playing. And then that's the rest of the box right there. Nothing crazy. Let's go ahead, set it to the side. Boom. All right. So as you guys see, shoe, Maison Mihara, it comes in a dust bag. If yours does not come in a dust bag, well, I have some bad news for you. It might be fake, by the way. But anyways, let's go ahead and slide out the dust bag. Drum, hey. Drum roll, please. Drum roll. Why you not drum rolling, bro? Come on. All right. Ooh, okay. Look at that. So this time around, I went with the classic black and white colorway. I'm pretty sure you've seen everybody in their mama with this shoe right here, especially with this colorway. Hold on, I'm gonna get my original one. So this is my first Maison Mihara right here, all white, and then it has like a canvas type material, and then also like a painted material on there also. So with these, I think I kind of like messed up. I wanted to get this material right here. I didn't want to get like the painted material because like as you guys can see, it's like starting to crack really bad, and also it does not keep that like original white color. Like if you guys saw these when I first got them, they were white, like they were white, but now they're kind of like they're not as white, you know, you feel me? They're like they turn low-key, they turn to like a creamy type color. But anyways, y'all let me know, which one are you choosing? White, all white, or black? But if this video blows up, guess what? I'm gonna have a different pair from both of these right here. I'm gonna actually get like a loud color. I'm thinking of getting purple. So if you guys want to see that, blow this video up, because I definitely will buy the purple pair and then compare them to both of these right here. But anyways, let's throw this to the side. Just kidding, I'm gonna set it down politely. But here is your guys' favorite shoe right here, especially on TikTok. TikTok loves this shoe right here. Anyways, look at that, you know, all black canvas up top, and then at the bottom it has like little chunky sole. What it is known for, if you guys can guess what this shoe looks like, I'll give you $100. No, I'm just kidding, that's too easy, that's way too easy. But if you just go comment down below, what does this shoe look like, you know? If you don't know, it's kind of concerning, but everybody should know. But as you can see right there on the tongue, MMY, and then has little, what does it say right there? Sublime meets ridiculous, and then right there on the inside, and what else? Yeah, that's pretty much it. Also, they do not come laced like this, so I don't think that they come like laced like this. I did this by myself, so if you guys want a tutorial on how to lace your Miharas, I actually did a video, and I'll put it up like right here, whichever side, I don't know. But I'll put that video up for you guys. If you don't know how to lace your Miharas, go watch that and then come back to this one, because these do not come laced like this. Trust and believe. So taking off, it comes with like paper on the inside right there, and then also it has like this little, yeah, it has all that. Anyways, set that right there. And then on the inside of the shoe, right there, Maison Mihara Unspecial. But let me go ahead and say this now. This shoe is really uncomfortable. I don't care what you do. Put some insoles in there. Whatever you gotta do, it's uncomfortable at the end of the day. So you've been warned, all right? This is like one of the most uncomfortable shoes in my collection, without a doubt. They're more uncomfortable than my Balenciagas, Jordans. Like they're so uncomfortable. Like I really like these shoes, but like come on, can we not like make like a comfortable version, please? Mihara, if you guys are seeing this, please make a comfortable version of this shoe, please make like a I don't know, but just make something that's more comfortable, because these right here, I've seen people like that their feet be bleeding, like all that, bruh. Like, so I'm gonna tell you guys about sizing now. For those, I am a size 10 and I got a 44 on my all white ones. And then for these, this time I went true to size and got a size 43. But I tried them on and they're low-key really tight. I'm not even gonna lie, they are really tight. And then for my all white ones, I went a size up. They're too big. Like when I walk, they kind of like flopping off my feet. I gotta like tie them like really tight so they don't come off my feet. So like I said in my TikTok video, with Miharas, these are like pick your poison for real. If you go true to size, just know they're gonna be really tight. And then if you go a size up, just know they're gonna be really loose. So you know, kind of like pick your poison. But I think I'll probably prefer wearing these anyways, because you know my soccer cleats are like really tight, and you know I'm pretty much used to it at this point. So I shouldn't have like a big problem with wearing these right here, even though they are like really tight and really uncomfortable. But other than that, you know, if you guys want these, definitely go pick them up. Don't hesitate. Just know that everybody on TikTok has these. I'm not trying to disencourage you. If you want them, if your heart desires these, get them, because they do not actually bro. Let's pull it up on Go right now. They don't even go for nothing crazy. Hey, I'm gonna show y'all. All right, so look, a size 43 right now on Go. As you can see, look at that, 260. I'm pretty sure y'all probably can't see that, but anyways, on Go, 260. So just keep that in mind. These shoes aren't that expensive for real. They're like the same price as a Jordan 4. So you know, either you get a Jordan 4 or you get a Mihara, whichever one you want. Just know these, they're really uncomfortable. So pick your poison. But like I said, don't hesitate if you want them. Christmas is around the corner. Go spoil yourself, go spoil your boyfriend, go spoil your girlfriend. Get it for her, get it for him, whatever. So just don't sleep on them, you know. Go surprise a loved one, go surprise yourself. You know, if you've been working hard, go surprise yourself with some Miharas. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and catch y'all boys in the next video. Hope you guys enjoyed this little review. And also, if you do want some Mihara laces for your Jordans, like these right here, I got you. My website is down below, first link, worldlocker.us. You know, I specialize in shoelaces. So if you want to get laced up, you already know where to go. And I'm gonna catch y'all boys in the next video. Peace.